Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Jain. I am Data Science Intern at Sparks Foundations for Data Science and Business Analytics. This is a project which is provided by the Sparks Foundation. They have given the RS data set, and for the given RS data set, I create the decision tree classifier and visualize its graphically. And the purpose is if we feed any new data to this classifier, it would be able to predict the right class accordingly. First, I will import all the required library, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Cvon, scikit-learn, dot data set, import load underscore iris. This is a scikit-learn function. And after I have load the iris dataset with the help of scikit-learn function, load underscore iris, and x and y, these are two NumPy array, iris dot data, iris dot target. And I created the data frame data, and there is a column, there's a 4 column, petal length, petal width, sepal length, and sepal width. So now 150 rows and 4 column in our data set. And I created the species data frame, and this is our target variable. I have created a new column in our data set, species column. And df.head, with the help of df.head, I have to see first 5 rows of our data set. With the help of df.tail, I have see first last 5 rows of our data set. And with the help of df.sample, I can see the any 7 rows of our data set. And after this, I have applied exploitative data analysis on our data set. df.shape, we can see in 150 rows and 5 column in our data set. And to find the more information about the data set, I have to use the df.info. And there is 150 entries and 5 column in our data set, petal length, petal width, sepal width, species. These are the 5 column in our data set, and these are float value and species are object. To get the statistical information about the data set, I have used describe function, df.describe. Count, mean, standard, minimum, these are percentage value according to these column value, petal length, petal width, sepal length, sepal width. And after this, I will display the column name. These are 5 column in our data set. To check any null value and missing value, I use is null dot sum, and there is no null value in our data set. And I have used df dot duplicate dot sum, and I found one duplicate value in our data set. I have dropped them, and with the help of daf dot drop underscore duplicates. And after this, I have after this I found the there is some there is data is not balanced. With the help of df dot value underscore count, I have count these labels, Setosa versicolor versanica. There is a value is 50 of Setosa, and versicolor 50 and versanica 50. So as we saw that each classes has equal number of data points, so our iris data set to be balanced data set. No class is fully dominating in our data set. Step 2, visualize the data set. I visualize our data set, and the blue point shows the Setosa, blue point shows the Setosa, and successfully separated from the other labels, versanica and versicolor. And after this, I will specify the hue to get the colored visual. By looking the result of pair plot, we show that all blue points are well separated with other two classes, but versicolor and versanica are partially overlapping with each other. And pair plot, we saw that there are some features combination which has very less overlapping between versicolor and versanica, and that means those features are very important for our classical task purpose. Here, blue color shows Setosa species, and orange color shows versicolor, and green color shows versanica. And I have to check the correlation between those variables with the help of the Pearson and Spearman method. And I have to found there's a sepal length, and there's a strong correlation between sepal length and sepal width. And in the Sapperman method, I've also found the strong correlation between sepal length and sepal width. And with the help of heat map, I have visualized the correlation between those labels. And I found there's a strong correlation between sepal length and sepal width. And after that, I have applied data preparation in our data set. X is our independent features, and Y is the dependent features, and or we can say Y is target variable. And these are the value of X array, and these are the value of Y array. And after this, I'm training the algorithm. And first I applied these scikit-learn.model, scikit-learn.tree, scikit-learn.tree, sklearn tree, and export underscore graphics. These are the visualization library. And after this, I split the whole data set into training and testing part: X train, X test, Y train, Y test. Here is 0.2 means I have divide the I have take the 80% of training set and 20% for test data. And after that, I created an instance of decision tree classifier with the help of decision tree classifier. And minimum sample split is 2, and fit the model into training data with the help of classifier.fit method. And this is the output. And after this, in step 5, I have make the predictions with the help of the X test data. Classifier.predict. And I have to found these value for Y predictions. And after compare the actual, I have compared the actual and predicted value. These are the value of actual and predicted value. And in step 6, visualize the model with the help of these libraries P by dot plus, graphics with and IPython. And after this, I've installed all these. I've import all these libraries: graphics with py dot plus, IPython dot display. And after this, I visualize the tree which is formed on training data from scikit-learn import tree. And this figure size 25 by 25. And these are our decision tree classifier. And after this, I evaluated the model accuracy, and I found the accuracy is 0.93. It is good for our model. And R2 score is give the good accuracy for our model. And after this, I predict the predictions. I predict the new data. And with the help of the classifier dots predict, and these are the values of new data. And this is the output of prediction for new data set, which shows the prediction 0 for this first data, second and third, and making predictions for new data point using the trained classifier. The code provides 3 sample data point and the corresponding predictions are displayed. This is all about the prediction using decision tree algorithm project. Thank you.